on with my broker without depositing any money whatsoever, because my broker has weekly demo competitions where if you are a very good trader, you can actually open a demo account with my broker, then compete against other traders to win up to $2,000. So there's a pool of about $25,000, and this is a weekly competition. If you are a good enough trader and you don't have money for prop firm challenges, for trading on your own and stuff, you can sign up. The link is in the description box below, guys, or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Then after signing up, you need to verify your account. You just need to submit your proof of address and your proof of identity. That's it. Then you log into your members area. Then you come to the competitions section. Now, how do you join these competitions? How do you join these demo competitions and do this risk free? You are not putting any of your money down here. You are just making money risk free. How good is that? So, what you're going to do is you're going to create a demo account. After signing up and verifying your account, you just need a demo account with about $1,000 virtual currency. You know, that money in your demo account that we cannot withdraw. You just need a demo account with a balance of $1,000. That paper money that you cannot withdraw. That's it. You don't need to pay any fee. You don't need to pay anything in order to be part of the competition. That's it. After doing that, uh, now you come into this section. You can actually start with a free practice if you want to practice the competitions before going into the competitions. Of course, you can do the practice. They are usually for an hour. You can try out just to get a feel of the competition. After that, you go to the demo competition now. Yes, the demo competition. There's a paid competition. This is a demo competition. This is the one that we are interested in. So here is the rules. The rules is you need a demo account with just $1,000. That fake money on your demo account, it's not real money. So basically, on your part, it's risk free. That's why the entrance is free. There is no entry fee. There's no entry fee because entry is free. You just need a demo account. Then after that, you need to have a demo account with $1,000. Now, an important rule is you must maintain your account. You must maintain your account above. You cannot lose more than 20% equity in your account. If you do that, you are then thrown out of the account. So you'll be excluded from the competition, not account, sorry. If you lose more than 20% of that demo $1,000, you get removed from the competition, and you need to wait for the next competition because you cannot top up that demo account that you use for this competition. So those are the rules. You cannot top up the demo account that you are using for the competition. If your equity goes below 20% of $1,000, you get thrown out of the competition. And your account, that demo account that you use, is going to be archived once the competition is done. So you need to recreate a new demo competition for every competition that you're going to be doing. So that's very important to note. Another important thing that you also want to note is you can only enter one competition a time. So after being thrown out of this competition, if you fail, if your equity falls below 20%, now you need to wait for the next competition that is going to come next week. And the good thing about these competitions also is that manual trading is allowed. Using robots is also allowed. On your part, it's essentially risk free. I don't know how risk free you want things, but on your part, it's totally risk free. You are just signing up. The link is in the description box below. Sign up for your account or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Sign up, verify your account, just prove your address and your identity that you are a real person. After that, you come to this competition section. Then just come here to the demo competition. If you click on all, you'll see the paid one. This one, you can also take this one, but the pool price is just $120 for this week, and it has got 31 participants. If you feel you want to start with the paid demo competition, you just need $5 in your micro account or trading account. Then you can what? You can start on this competition. But this one is the one that I wanted to really talk about. You don't need money. You don't need money to make money in trading with my broker. With other brokers, maybe it's a different story. But with my broker, you don't need money to start making money in trading. You just need a demo account and a verified trading account. Then you need to ensure you don't lose more than 20% equity on that demo account, so that end of the week, these competitions are 7 days. Then there's a new one. Every 7 days, there's a new one. After every 7 days, you need to be within the top 100 traders. You can see here there are about 11,704 participants at the moment this week. You need to be in the top 100. The first person gets up to $2,000 real money that can be withdrawn. Real money that you can withdraw. The 100th person, the person number 100, they actually get $100 real money that you can withdraw. So yeah, go ahead and sign up with this and give it a try if you feel you are a very good trader. It's just that people haven't discovered you yet. Nobody's giving you money so that you can show what you are made of. You are a very good enough trader. Your handicap is trading capital. Try this, you will not regret it. Guys, sign up. The links are in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.